Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to reset your Pinterest recommendations. Now quick one guys, go ahead and open up your Pinterest account or open up your Pinterest application so you can give it permissions. Now after that, if you want to reset your recommendations, choose saved over here. It's more like your profile section here. After that, tap on that icon there which goes to your account. Now see this option says refine your recommendation, this one here, tap on it, and then now here you can choose the one you want. If at all I want AI content, I can come over here and disable it. If maybe I don't want architecture stuff, I can disable it. If I don't want entertainment stuff, if I don't want sports, disable it. And that's how basically you can refine your recommendations on Pinterest. Subscribe guys to our YouTube channel.